right, we're gonna try this again. I guess there's 3 screws on the bottom. The very bottom is stripped out, so we're gonna try one on the side. See my power cord running? I actually got my refrigerator hooked up. All right, we're gonna walk this sucker in, maybe. If she'll fit. She just barely clears that. That's okay, because right there's the screw I'm going for. Right there. Yeah, whatever, it's not on the very bottom, but it's gonna have to do. I can't explain to you how much I don't care if it don't get every little bit of oil out. Got for 5. And of course, you know, you can check out my other video about the air conditioning. Yeah, they totally had, you know, you have to cut this. I did research to get the coil, you had to cut this on the line. But the kit that it comes with is supposed to have, I don't know why Freightliner is like this, it's because it's Dodge or Daimler, you know, that explains it all in my, but instead of getting that piece that replaces that and screws in with the seal, they just fucking taped it back on. So I'm leaking water really bad, but it might be because there's a tube that runs out of here that drains out front. This is all research. You can look at my my people that I subscribe to. Someone said this, but in this box is a horrible design, okay? This is your air box outside for your cabin. Back here, which you can't see, you can't even hardly get to, there's a tube in here. There is the outlet, and that outlet, so I can only guess that whenever that guy did the work to the AC, he knocked some dirt into that tube. I hope to God. Literally could have done this job myself. I was just told it was hard. That's not hard at all. You don't even have to take anything out. You cut that out, then you pull the freaking coil out. The only hard part is find somebody to recharge it, which, you know, that was only $140, so I could have just took it back to them. Lesson learned. Do your own shit. Back to it. Let's change oil. This is the longest oil change video you'll ever see on YouTube. Let's go under. All right. Holy crap, I'm stuck. I'm fat. Can't get my belly under the bumper. That's all right. Wait a minute. That is the one that was... yeah, I messed up, guys. That's the one that's messed up. So, well, we can try it, I guess. Here, I'll just leave this here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Huh. I need like a little tiny tripod. Alright, we're going to try up here where you can't see because of this thing. But I don't think this will fit. Let's see. Yeah, lefty. Since it's stripped out like a mofo and it's all a circle on the outside, why didn't they make it? Yeah, I can feel it slipping already. Maybe. Yeah, it's gonna slip. We'll try something though. One time, I mean, it's already stripped. Why not try it for the heck of it? I got no idea how to get a good leverage on this. God. Holy crap. Well, it didn't slip, but that was a lot of pressure, so give me a minute. I'm going to pull it toward me and hope I don't bust myself in the face when it slips. You never know. Welcome to my core support. Oh, I'm going to break this phone. Keep dropping it all the time. Hey, there's a pretty good view for you. Maybe. I don't know. Doesn't help that I'm on a slidey chair and I can't quit moving. Oh, it's left, yeah, left, right? Yeah, left. We're going the right way. Do I got any more extension here? Oh yeah, one more. All right, here we go. Now we're talking. Oh my God. This guy torqued this thing down with a fucking air gun. I don't know why you do that for an oil pan. Ugh. Literally grabbed a leaf spring, now I'm dirty as crap. Alright, we're gonna put the pipe on it. We're going to put the pipe on it. Talk about a breaker bar, guys. Well, here's what it looks like. I don't know if that's even gonna... I don't know, guys. I can't get it to go all the way in. You know what that means? Alright. I don't know, man. Pay somebody, I guess. It's the problem I always run into. Is the only reason why I use shops because I don't have the right tools to do anything. I just broke the handle. I don't think it matters though. But so I had that oscillating tool thing. You know what I mean? It's got like the flat ends. You can change them. So I cut the whole handle off. So if this don't work, I'm just gonna be like, fuck it. Here we go. Okay. See how it doesn't want to go all the way in there. That's probably why it's twisted. Oh, I did it. I got it. Ah. Twisted my wrist, but I got it. I bet that's going to come shooting out. We'll try to catch it so it doesn't... Not sure how far it'll go. Oh, guys, I fucked my wrist up when that come under. Unless it just slipped. Did it slip? Let's find out. No, it didn't slip. All right. I ordered, frick, I was supposed to do that a long time ago. Get on Amazon and see how much I can, where I can get one of these from. Yeah, it's gonna get oil all over me, but I got a screw in it. There we go. Look at that black gold. Look at that. First semi oil change that I've done myself. That belongs to me. I've done dump trucks and stuff, but woo, black gold. Get a close up. Look at that. I don't even think I recorded any of it. Did I record it? About broke my wrist. So while that's draining, I got that one up there to take out. And I'm sure that'll be way harder than it needs to be. And I've seen some cool loads I would show you, but my 90 days isn't up yet. So once my 90 days is up, I'll show you some of the Amazon loads. That way I don't have to worry about, you know, them not letting me run for them anymore. Low paying mother. I did see a couple that paid $230, which is cool because Amazon usually doesn't pay over $2 a mile for anything, unless it's real short stuff. But this was a take all day kind of thing. So, all right, we're gonna let that completely drain out. I'll probably back that cart up a little bit, so if the wind blows, it'll catch it all. I wonder if this cart's leaking. I mean, if you haven't seen the video, you probably should. Check it out. That's what I was worried about, is it leaking, because those barely fit right. Then I was afraid the pump was gonna let it come out. So far so good though. I might come out here later and it'd be all over the ground. Let's look under it, make sure it's not leaking somewhere. Nope, she's holding the gold. I didn't even lock the brakes on it. I do like this though, guys. $100 and something at Amazon. Very vague instructions, so you'll have to check my, I can't remember if it's a live stream or not, but yeah. We're gonna let that, I'm gonna go in and eat. Then we'll figure out how to get that off. All right, I just found this old fan, trying to get it cleaned up. It's gonna go in the truck, so I don't have to idle as much, in theory. It's been about a half hour. She's still coming out. That's a dedicated oil stream there. And there's a dedicated zoom. You wish you had these skills. And the fan's trying to blow up. Yeah, let's get that filter off. Might be wise to go under. It's definitely gonna be wise to turn this wheel. That fan makes random noises. It's like there's spiders crawling out of it. Probably is. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I'm gonna go under. Go under. Alright, well, if anybody ever tells you to turn the steering wheel on a truck when it's sitting still and not running, they're fucking with you. Alright, we've got the belt set, we've got the drain plug tight, and we've got this set up hopefully to catch the oil. Doesn't look like it's going to. Fan is still trying to blow up. Let's do it. going to get a front row view here. And yeah, I put it on the wrong way. Damn it. Never fails. Oh no, but we can push it this way. See how dirty I am. Love it. If you're not getting dirty, you ain't doing it right. Or you ain't trying hard enough. All right, here we go. Checking everything, make sure if I slip it ain't gonna hurt. You know, if it breaks, I gotta bring my knuckles. I seen movement. I'm gonna get a little bit more of a bite by pushing the buckle further back. I know you can't see it. That sucks. This coolant line that literally does nothing. I don't think, at least. Yeah, it goes to the tri-pack Thermo King, which we're not using because it's leaking up here somewhere. All right, here we go. Baby. Right, this way, right? Yeah, that's how it goes. Let's do it. Why are you not doing it? Here we go. I see it move. Here, we'll zoom in. Maybe you can see it if it zooms in. Yeah, right there. Focus on that spot. There you go. It's not going to. They give it a little bit more bite. That means move the belt buckle even further back. That way we got more twist. Watch the D on the guard there. Watch it move. Watch it. I don't think it moved that time at all. All right, plan B, screwdriver. All right, well, every time I do filters, for some reason, I always turn them the wrong direction. So I torque that one, super tighten it down just like I did. So I'm gonna go the opposite direction. All right, until the phone falls, I got you in a spectacular view. Oh, I can't get the fucking belt now. Damn it. Tell you what, that's the problem. I probably said it 10 times in this video. I don't have the proper tools. I can make it work. I just don't. I just have to work extra hard. Now the belt's done made its way back down there. Here, I give you a view of the belt. See how this works. See down in there? That's the belt. We're going this direction instead of the other way, like I had it. And we're gonna leave the D out so we can see. Leave the D out. Why not, right? All right, let's see if we get it to move. Because I put about 2,000 pounds of, no, I'm just kidding. Oh, here we go. Go. Did it move? I didn't. Oh hell, I can't even see the D no more. Huh, I think it did move. What do you guys think? Is it moving or is it just my imagination? Definitely saw it move. Don't try this at home, guys. If this thing slips and hits me in the face, I'm done. But damn it, the way I figured it is I'm getting a better bite. I'm moving the buckle behind it more. I saved myself probably close to $300 by just doing oil myself. And the PM, of course, is another. Honestly, I don't even know how much PM costs. If I just get the right tools, this will go a lot quicker. There we go. She's loose now. We'll go ahead and get one more good turn. All right, we're dropping the belt now. We don't got oil on the belt, do we? I know I don't. All right, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is reach up under the frame there and just drop that filter. I'm gonna be standing back here, you know, because I don't want to be down there if I drop it. I've got several videos that help me out. I might try to at least link them in the description. There's all kinds of cool stuff in the description, by the way. I'm totally dropping this, guys. There's no way I can hold it this way. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Beautiful. All right. Barely any spill. Look at that. Just a couple drips. Of course, that leaf spring or the axle got it, but whatever you call that. What is it called? It runs across there. I can't think of it. Cross member? Whatever. We're gonna let her drain for a minute, and then sweating a little bit. And then we'll prime the filter. Yeah, I prime the filters. I don't care. It's just, it makes sense to me, so I'm gonna do it. They're right now. All right, that's fine. Okay, so Amazon had these 2 for the price of 1. Like, I paid 60. Guys, don't hold me to it, but I believe I paid 60 for these 2. 64. I'll throw it up here if you can tell. But yeah, that's a good deal. Probably get them cheaper if you buy a case, but who knows if this truck will last that long. I'm just kidding, Whitey Ford. I love you. Let's get this filter primed. So this giant O-ring, you want to check and make sure that the old filter has it still, or that you get it out of the housing. Replace it with this one. If you know what priming is, all it is you just put oil in the filter. I'm gonna just probably do about 3/4 of the way because it's gonna be super heavy if I do any more than that, like for one-handed operation. And then I'm gonna put clean oil around the lube. I'll lube the tip here. Lube the O-ring. All right, let's check out this filter and see if that is on there. Yep, you can see it. The O-ring's on there. We're gonna clean that with a clean shop towel and then put this bad boy on there. All right, we're just gonna put oil in this right here. Okay. Super heavy. It'll sink down a couple times. We'll just let it sink a little bit and then put some more in there and be done. Grab some of the oil that's in here. Just rub around the top. Do that a lot. Get that soaked. I'm gonna get some up here on around the brim. So I can dip into that. Get this brittle, dry O-ring lubricated. This is what stands between you and an oil leak. Also, you don't want to fill this too high because you have to do some maneuvering through here, tilting it and stuff. Or you can just go under and do it that way, but meh. And don't be afraid to climb in, you know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid. It's like made for you to just get up in here and get all dirty and stuff. Gotta love it. If you do get in here, make sure you bring all your tools with these. You don't got to climb back out again. Keep in mind, this isn't a how-to. This is a how I do. I got the filter on, hand tight to where basically you can't turn it anymore with your hand, and then pick a spot on there, turn it a total of 3/4 of a turn, and the D is a showing. Well, you can't see it. Yeah, anyway, now we're gonna fill it up and run it high idle, check for leaks. And then first time I drive it, first trip, check a couple times, you know, just to make sure no leaks. She sounds so much better with fresh oil. It's kind of weird. Serious though, guys. The diesel sounds a lot more quiet. But hey, that's all. I changed the oil. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, do all that stuff. Buy a t-shirt, sticker.